Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or edit working hours in Google Business Profile in Google. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business. So we are going to edit or change working hours. Now you see sign in, so click on it. So we are in Google Business Profile Manager. So we have two business and then you see status, verification required and verified. So we are going to edit working hours. Now you see edit business information. If you have one business, also you see edit information. So click on it and then you see pop up business information. You see multiple option and then you see hours. So click on it and then you see business hour and then you see pencil icon edit. So click on it and then you see option open with main hours. You see multiple option. So we are going to change time. Now you see, so we are going to change it to PM 5 PM. Now you see 5 PM we selected, all AM change to PM because our open time is 9 AM. So we set all times in Google Business Profile. Now you see and then click on save and then you see message, your edit is pending. It usually take up to 10 minutes to be reviewed and then scroll down. You see pending open with main hours. So this is our changes and it will take 10 minutes to review. So in this way you can change hours in Google Business Profile. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.